Okay guys, welcome back on another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be analyzing volatility 75 index. Now if you are there and you have difficulty on analyzing these pairs volatility indexes, I think this is the right video for you to watch till to the end and you see how we FX Labs will analyze the market. Now without wasting time, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I think hit that like button and also subscribe, plus commenting down and also sharing this video because it has a lot of valuable information. So after watching this video, please do share this video to another member also to watch and recommend him or her to subscribe to our channel. Now for the recommended broker we tell you to use is deriv or binary. Also the link is down in the description. Hit that link and open up an account with deriv and start trading these volatility indexes. Now without wasting time, I'm already in my higher time frame, which is the daily time frame. Now this daily time frame is where we start analyzing the market, breaking it down or to get a clear view of where the market is clearly heading. Now when I focus on my daily time frame of this index volatility 75, I can clearly see that we had a strong push to the upside. If you try catering for this level, we have this level. So if you try focusing on that level, you can see that we had a strong push to the upside. Now this strong push, we experienced it since this pair was on a major market key level. I can clearly see that we had a lot of weak rejection on this key level. That's why we experienced a lot of buyers jumping in to the market and pushing the prices all the way to the upside. Now if I try connecting my resistance and support trend lines, so then this will be my support trend line and this will be my resistance trend line. So we can see that we had a falling wedge. Now remember, a falling wedge is one of reversal patterns which can push the prices, or these are patterns which can change a trend. Now we were in a downtrend, but automatically I can clearly see that we are now in an uptrend. Why? We experienced a falling wedge, which is one of reversal patterns in the market. Now we can see that prices broke this falling wedge, but they didn't retest in the higher time frame. What are we going to do next? We're going to try to scroll down to our 14 frame. Now in the hour 14 frame, that's where we're going to see where was the problem, or what did the market not respect. Because you can see the market breaking to the upside and it starts buying, and you find like somewhere there are some levels the market didn't retest, and maybe it can be one of the things which are pushing the market to come back to the downside to retest. Now we have a beautiful falling wedge like we have spotted it in the higher time frame. Now if we try catering from where the market has made a reversal, which is this level, and we also cater for where the market is starting pushing to the upside on this beautiful inverted head and shoulder of ours. Now when we try connecting our support trend line, now we connect these support trend lines according to the recent higher lows or to the recent low highs or high highs. Now I can clearly see that we have, let me get this trend line. We have this first touch, second touch, and this was our third touch. Now if you try connecting this trend line of ours, you can clearly see that we have what we call a head and shoulders pattern, and this trend line was recently broken. Now if you try to zoom out, you can clearly see that our trend line is broken. Now if this trend line is broken, what is our next move? Because we can see that we have a head and the shoulders pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder. I'm going to try to connect them, and this is our head. Hope we are together. Now if we have experienced this inverted head and shoulders pattern, what is our next move? Now what am I expecting? We might see this, you might see prices pushing all the way from, because we're expecting a retest. After a retest, we may see prices pushing down up to this current market key level. Why? We can clearly see that this falling wedge was made, but there are some prices this falling wedge didn't retest, or some time frames this falling wedge didn't retest. Now this falling wedge might come back to retest the falling wedge in a higher time frame. You can clearly see that even in the 4-hour time frame, this falling wedge prices were not retested. So now prices are coming back to retest this particular falling wedge, which made the trend to change before we see prices pushing all the way to the upside. Now we are expecting a little bit reversal in prices, but it will be a retest. It will be violated, not to be a request, only if prices break this support level of ours and you see them dropping or continuing dropping down to the downside. Now for 75, we have already seen that we have a head and shoulders pattern on the major market key level. It's one of the signs of a reversal. Now we're expecting prices to drop all the way to the downside. This will be our entry on this sale of this head and shoulders pattern, which will be a retest after we shall go short on volatility 75 index. Now if you are there and you're trading this index, please wait for a retest. After a retest, you'll see prices dropping down to the downside. There you can enter your trade and make this money. Now if you have finished this video and you haven't subscribed to our channel, I think this is the right time for you to subscribe and also like this video, plus commenting down the description what you have learned from our analysis. So we mainly make analysis on weekly basis or on our major weekends. We make analysis on currency pairs and all instruments which are being traded in the forex market.